Good morning, everybody. It is 5:20. It is April the 14th, 2019. Overnight, while we slept, there was a 2.4 Northern California, 3 miles west of Cobb, at 1.2 miles in depth. A 2.9 Utah, 42 miles southwest of Fillmore, at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.7 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 Chile at 67.7 miles in depth. A 3.3 Central Mediterranean Sea at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Oaxacan, Mexico at 6.8 miles in depth. A 4.7 Nicobar Island region that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.9 Nego, Japan, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Nego, Japan at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.8 Nego, Japan at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the shore of Chiapas, Mexico at 47.2 miles in depth. A 2.1 France at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.0 Northern California, 17 miles north of Cold Springs at 6.8 miles in depth. A 2.1 Central California, 11 miles south of Ridgemark, that came in at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.7 Eastern Mediterranean Sea, that came in at 31 miles in depth. And a 4.7 Reiku Island, Japan, that is Nego region, at 6.2 miles in depth. That's what I have this morning, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for taking time this morning to watch the morning earthquake reports. Have a great day and a blessed Sunday.